Hello, Sudoku friends. Welcome today in this additional with extra Sudokus in today's newspaper of Friday. Yes, Friday. Almost weekend. Friday, March the 5th, 2021. We have here in this additional 8 extra Sudokus. Sudokus with 1 star, 2 stars, 3 stars, 4 stars. We have a tectonic with 4 stars. Tectonic with 1 star, binary number 1, and a binary number 2. Total of 8 extra Sudokus. I won't do them all, only 4 of them I will solve. Those are the 3 stars Sudoku, 4 star Sudoku, 1 tectonic, and 1 binary. Tectonic with 4 stars I will do, yes. And the first Sudoku will be a 3 stars Sudoku. And this one will be a number 2423. 2423. Yes, before I start, I always count the printed digits. This one has 25 printed digits. Correct me if I'm wrong. You can check if it's correct. Well, the 3 stars has 25. The 4 stars I have also counted 24 for this one. Yes. Alright, so let's get started. 7 in this row, 7 in the middle row, so on the row above. The only place for the 7 should be there. 4 missing numbers in this row. One of the missing numbers is 3. We see here 3 in this big square, so no 3 in these 2 boxes. So the 3 could be here or could be there. We see there 3, no 3 there, 3 should be here. And then 3 missing numbers in this row. One of the missing numbers is 4. We see here 4, no 4 there. Here 4, no 4 there. Only place for the 4 should be there. 2 numbers left in this row for the numbers 2 and 5. 2 and 5. I cannot fill this yet. Need to wait. 2 and 5. How about the number? 4. Yes, in this big square. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 missing numbers. One of the missing numbers is 4. We see here 4, no 4 in these 2 boxes. There are 4, no 4 in that box. So the 4 could be here, could be there. So we have a 4 in one of those 2 boxes in this row, 4 in the first row. So in the row between the second row, the only 2 places for the 4 should be here or there. We see there 4, no 4 there, 4 should be there. And then I cannot continue with the 4. How about the number 3 in this row, 3 in that row, so on the row between the middle row, the only 2 places for the 3 should be here or there. We see there 3, no 3 there, 3 should be there. Yeah. Okay, I cannot continue with the 3. Let me see. The 9 in this column. The 9 in that column. So the column between the middle column. The only 2 places for the 9 should be here or there. We see there 9, no 9 there. 9 should be there. Alright. And then 9 in this row, 9 in the second row, so on the third row, only place for the 9 should be there. Okay, I cannot continue with the 9. How about the number 4 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 5. We see here 5. No 5 in these 3 boxes. 1 box left for the 5. Should be there. Then 1, 7, and 9. 3 missing numbers in this big square. Those missing numbers are the 1 is missing, the 7 is missing, and the 6 is missing. 176. I cannot fill this yet. 176. Let me mark those. 176. That means in the first row, 176. 2 numbers left. 176. Those numbers are in the first row. The 2 and the 8 are missing. 2 and 8. We see here 2, no 2 there. 2 should be here. And the 8 goes there. Alright. So we have a 2 in this row, 2 in the third row, so no row between. Only 2 places for the 2 should be here. Oh, there, we see there 2. No 2 there, 2 should be there. And we have a pair, 4 and 8, 4 and 8 in the first row, 4 and 8 in the second row. So in the third row, the 4 and 8, look, we have a 4 and 8 here in this column. So no 4 and 8 in this box. The 4 and 8 goes in those 2 boxes, 4 and 8. That means the other pair in this big square should be the number 7 and the 6. Let me mark those 2 boxes, 7 and 6. All right. 7 and 6. Yeah. 2, 9, 4, 8. 5. All right. 2 and 5. Yes, I remember. The 2 and the 5 are missing in this row. 2 and a 5. Now we have a 5 there, so no 5 there. 5 should be here. And the 2 goes there. All right. 5, 5. 6, 6. So we have a 7 in this column, 7 in the middle column, so in the column next, the only place for the 7 should be there. Now we have a 7 there, so this box cannot be 7 anymore. This box should be a 7, and this should be a 6. Alright, 1 number left in the second row for the number 6. 2 boxes left in this big square for the numbers 1 and 5. We have a 5 there, no 5 there. 5 should be here, and the 1 goes there. Alright. So we have a 1 in this column, 1 in the middle column, so the column next, the only place for the 1 should be there. 1 in this row, 1 in that row, so the row between, the middle row, the only place for the 1 should be there. 2, 8, and 6, yes. 3 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 6. We see here 6, so no 6 in these 2 boxes. So 1 box left for the 6 should be there. 2 numbers left in this big square for the numbers 2 and 8. 2 and 8. We see here 2, no 2 there. 2 should be here. And the 8 goes there. 1 number left in the middle column for the number 8. 2 boxes left in this column for the numbers 5 and 6 are missing. 5 and 6. I cannot fill this yet. Let me mark those 2 boxes. The other pair in this big square should be the numbers 3 and 4. 3 and 4 are missing. Let me mark those 2 boxes. 3 and 4. 1 number left in this row for the number 9 is missing. Yes, 9 is missing. 2 numbers left in this big square, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and the 8 are missing. We see there, no 8 there. 8 should be here, and the 5 goes there. 8, 8, alright, 5, 5, 5, 2, 2, 1, 7 and 6. Alright. Let me think. 2, 3, 4, 5, 5, 6, 7, 8, and the 9. 9 should be here. Okay. Let me think. 1. Yeah. Let me put some numbers. Some numbers. Alright, 5 in this column, 5 in the column next. So in that column, the only 2 places for the 5. Could be here, could be there. These 3 missing numbers are the 2, the 4, and the 9. 249, 249, 249. Like, yeah, 249. We see here 2 and a 9 in this column. So no 2 and a 9 in this box. The 2 and a 9 goes in those 2 boxes. Let me mark those. So one number left should be the 4. Yes. The 4. Now we have a 4 here. So this box cannot be 4 anymore. This box should be a 4. And this box should be an 8. Alright. 2959. So we have an 8 in this column, 8 in the column next. So in that column, the only 3 places for the 8 should be here, or there. We see there an 8, no 8 there. 8 should be here, could be there. How about these 3 missing numbers? The 1 is missing, 2, the 3 is missing, and the 7 is missing. 1, 7, and 3 are missing. 1, 7, and 3 are missing. We see here 1 and a 7, so no 1 and a 7 in this box. The 1 and the 7 goes in those 2 boxes. So 1 digit left should be the 3. Alright. Now we have a 3 there, so this box cannot be 3 anymore. We have here the 3 and the 4. So this box should be the 3, and this box should be a 4. Alright, so we have a 4 in this row, 4 in the last row, so the row between. Only 2 places for the 4 should be here or there. We see there 4, no 4, therefore should be there. And all the 4s are used. I can see digit number 1, number 4, alright. 3 in this row, 3 in the row above. So in that row, the only 3 places for the 3 should be here, or there. We see there 3, no 3 there, here 3, no 3 there. The only place for the 3 should be there. And all the 3s are used. I can see digit number 2, number 3, alright. Then 7, 6, 7. 2 numbers left in the second column for the number 7 and a 6. 7 and a 6, 7 and 6. We see here 7, no 7 there. 7 should be here, and the 6 goes there. Alright. 2 numbers left in this big square for the numbers 1 and 6. 1 and 6, we see here 6, no 6 there. 6 should be here, and the 1 goes there. So we have a 1 in this column, 1 in the second column. So in the third column, the only 2 places for the 1 should be here or there. We see there 1, no 1 there. 1 should be there. Now we have a 1 here, so this box cannot be 1 anymore. This box should be a 1, and this box should be a 7. 7 in this row, 7 in the last row, so the row between. The only place for the 7 should be there. 1 box left in the first column for the number 8, yes. 2 boxes left in this big square for the numbers 2 and 5. We have a 2 there, no 2 there. 2 should be here, and a 5 goes there. Now we have a 5 here, so this box cannot be a 5 anymore. This box should be a 5, and this box should be a 6. I've marked those 2 boxes with a 5. Now we have a 5 there, so no 5 there. 5 should be here, and 1 box left in the last row for the number 9, and I've eliminated the 8, so the 8 goes there. Alright, 2 numbers left. The 2 and the 6 are missing. We see there 6, no 6 there. 6 should be here, and the 2 goes there. Now we have a 2 there, so this box cannot be a 2 anymore. This box should be a 2, and this box should be a 9. Alright, finished in 14 minutes. Wow, 3 stars Sudoku in 14 minutes. I'm very pleased with the time. and I like this one. Do you think so? Thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching, and I will see you in a few seconds with the second Sudoku, a Sudoku with 4 stars. Is it really a 4 stars? I do not know. We will see, we will see. See you then. Bye bye for now.